In effort to give you guys a little bit more clarity on what you're working on, I thought it might be helpful to hear just a solid essay. So this is the Patriot Pen winner from 2016-17, and so this is the winner for at the national level. So this is the best essay that they received in 2016. As you can see, the theme is different. The America I Believe in. Yours is about the flag. This is just about America. It makes sense that veterans of war would want students to write about, America and the values and the flag and that sort of thing. So that's what's going on here. So I'm going to read this. I like to envision America as a jigsaw puzzle. Every piece represents each and every American in their individuality. Alone, one puzzle piece may not look like much, but as each piece unites together, the big picture is formed. No two pieces are alike or play the same role as another. America is a lot like this puzzle. The America I believe in is united. When you sit down to put together a puzzle, it can sometimes be a little overwhelming. So many pieces, all different and unique. In America, when we face a problem, like someone protesting for equal rights, or our diverse nation does not make it an easy fix. When putting together a puzzle, the pieces don't just immediately fall into place. It takes time and patience to start seeing the bigger picture. America has gone through difficult times such as slavery, women's rights, and the Civil War. These were not our proudest moments as Americans, but throughout this chaos, we united together and fixed the problems at hand. There are lots of Americans, but only one America, which is Val Sainsbury. 319 million people in America, and we are growing more and more each day. Out of those 319 million, 21.8 are veterans of the U.S. Armed Forces. Our veterans are like the box in our puzzle, like the box our puzzle comes in. They are the ones that hold all the pieces together and in one place and protect them from the outside elements. Without the box, we would lose puzzle pieces. As in America, without our veterans, we would lose many things we take for granted every day. Veterans are the main reason our country is united today. Our strength as a nation comes in our unity. Ben Carson. America is working each and every day to be the best that it can be. Even though we fail sometimes, we can always pick the pieces back up and place them where they need to be. The pieces will not always fit where we would like them to, and sometimes pieces will go missing. But that's the great thing about America. No matter what happens, no matter how many times we fail, we will always reunite together and form the bigger picture. That's the America I believe in. So a couple things that I want to kind of point out. The first thing is this author obviously knows their audience. Veterans are reading these essays and judging. So you can tell that, this Lindy, I guess is her name, Lindy Copton, put a huge emphasis on the value of veterans in America. She knows her audience. The second thing is you'll also notice that there's a strong introduction that kind of sets the tone. And this particular writer uses an analogy pretty much all the way throughout, and the analogy works. She also uses two quotes that I would point out, right? I don't know who Val Sainsbury is. Ben Carson, he was a surgeon, and then he also ran for president during the last election. But so she used two really rather short, concise quotes. But again, this is the winner, so obviously it was done very, very well. You can also see that it's not real long. 300 to 400 words really isn't that long. But hopefully this gives you a better idea as to the direction that you're going to take yours.